Life has been so busy, but wow. Are you guys ready for kindergarten? Woo! Online, I know Impressions Vanity makes ones like this, but they're much bigger. Also wanted to just show you some of the stuff I picked up from the home sense today. I was transferring everything over, but these were those fall boots that I showed you guys yesterday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's vlog, we have a lot going on. I'm going to be doing some jewelry organizing and then also just sharing a little bit more from the girl's birthday. I have some fall hauls, so I thought I would include everything in today's video. As you guys know, this last few weeks has been crazy. The girls just turned 5 and I will have their full video actually in my next video for you. I'm still waiting from the videographer, but I have some things that I can just add in here, some pictures. I've been posting lots of reels on my Instagram. It's so hard to believe that they're 5. And if you guys have been following my channel since the very beginning, like you would have seen the birth story and like the gender reveal, just like everything up until this point. So kindergarten is now, like they just started a few days ago. Yeah, or like Monday, they started Monday. So it's been their first week and it's just so crazy to me. So that's why my schedule's been hectic. It's a lot of driving back and forth and they're actually in kindergarten less time than they were in daycare. So I've just been getting used to the transition, which it's been a little tough. And sorry, I have my new iPhone, so my phone's been going off like crazy. I have a question for you guys, so if you can let me know in the comments. I wanted to start doing like some fall grocery shopping hauls and shop with me videos and chit chat videos, like things that I used to do in my vlogs a lot, because now I think there's just like a lot of organizational videos. But do you want me to like merge that as well and just do like chit chatty vlogs? Because I used to do that a lot and I know some people like it, some people don't. So just let me know in the comments and I can maybe start doing and catching you guys up, because I feel like I'm on Instagram a lot, but then YouTube videos I only have so often. I'm trying for every Monday, Friday, but as of right now, we are doing every Friday. But I'm really excited as well because I'm actually working with IDYL in today's video. You guys have seen me work with them multiple times in other organizational videos that I've done and closet tours, jewelry hauls. And I'm actually wearing my favorite piece right now by IDYL. So this is the Lena necklace. I do not take it off. I wear it all the time. I love it so much. Only if I'm going in the sauna. But it is honestly my favorite everyday piece. So IDYL is an affordable everyday jewelry brand and I absolutely love working with them because a lot of their pieces are just so different and unique and pieces that you wouldn't find somewhere else. And again, for the fraction of the cost, because they are lab grown diamonds and they have extremely unique designs and also have a modular design so you guys can mix and match, which is more affordable for you. And I love just being able to like switch out my necklaces all the time, and it really depends. Like this one I wear all the time, but if we're going out for a dinner or say the girl's birthday tomorrow, I tend to just wear something a little bit more dressy. So I definitely have different options from them that it just really depends on the occasion, but I love this piece. This definitely is my favorite one. And yes, I still have my unicorn cotton candy nails. So 2 other ones that I really like from their online is Iris and then Ella. So the Ella necklace is like a drop tier. I think that's so perfect for a dressier occasion. And if you're going out for like a nice date night, I think that would be perfect. But for every day, I do have the Lena that I tend to wear. So that is this one here. And also, if you guys know me, I love going with rose gold. It actually matches my wedding ring as well, so I tend to pick rose gold a lot. But you have yellow gold and white gold as well that you can also choose from for the metal. Also have free worldwide shipping, free 30-day return. Duty and taxes are included, and they also have a 2-year warranty. So like all those things, and also the price point and affordable pieces. The thing I really like is that you can mix and match the bracelets here too and stack them. I think that's also a great idea. And like I said, the module design, it just is so affordable. You guys can, like I think I have right now 3 different pieces for my necklace, so I can switch it out and put on a different one. I have really nice jewelry stands and also little pouches that you guys can get that I've showed in previous videos. I just think it's such a great way to also take care of your jewelry. Yeah, if you guys are interested in shopping their jewelry, which I highly recommend you do because I know I've talked about them in a lot of my videos. I love their pieces, very unique. I will have them all linked down in the description, I will have them linked down in the description for you. Also, I will include this one, which I will put that I'm wearing it in today's video. You guys can use my coupon code as well. It's Slmissglam10 to get 10% off their site. So I thought I would start out with my inserts. You guys have probably already seen these. I got them at HomeSense. I love them. They're just so big. They can store like necklaces, bracelets, rings. You can like put long necklaces right here or bracelets. So just really simple. It's like a nice champagne color too, so it goes with my closet. And I know you can get these on Amazon. I'll link some down below that you guys can find. And then I also have a second one. And then the other one I have. So the other one I have is the smaller version right here, which I thought would be nice if I ever want to pull out a tray and, I don't know, just have like separate rings in here and just like little smaller jewelry. So I do have that one. And then right on here, this is a really, really cute stand that I got. Oh, there we go. Now you guys can see it. A really cute stand that I got from HomeSense. They also have these acrylic stands on Amazon, so I will link some for you. But I have my IDYL necklaces on here just because they are the necklaces I tend to wear more of every day. And I have just 2 of my favorite pieces that I put on the stand. And it just goes on my shelf, which I'll show you guys in a minute, but I wanted to organize these first with you. I do have a lot of miscellaneous jewelry that I've had over the years. Kate Spade, Michael Kors. There's some more higher end like Louis Vuitton and stuff, but I do keep that in a separate jewelry case, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. And look how cute these little pumpkins are that I found the other day. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I've been sharing little haul sneak peeks and all that fun stuff on my subscribers list. So you can actually there's a subscription now on Instagram, which is so cool. So if you guys want to join that, I've been sharing lots of stuff. I also have a HomeSense haul that I'm going to share with you after, and just more things that I'm putting into my closet space. So this is going to be an organizational video, which I'm so excited about because that's one of my favorite things to do. So yeah, I thought I would just roll right in and get started. All the IDYL links down below for you for all the pieces that I have. I know I've shared lots of different pieces, unique pieces in other videos, so I will have that down in my description, but this one is definitely my favorite. It goes with my wedding ring too. I have a tendency to buy rose gold and I love it. It's such a unique piece. If I wanted to go with something a little bit more dainty, I tend to wear this one right here, and it also actually goes with my wedding ring. Rose gold again, and I just think it's perfect for every day. Little section in my closet is probably one of my favorite areas. I have my Louis Vuitton jewelry case. This is where I keep the higher end jewelry that I was talking about, which I will show you guys in a minute. I've got some decor, a really beautiful candle, this one here that I got from Urban Barn. And then right here, this is my Michael Kors watch, and I've never worn it actually, but I've been using it for decor. I wanted to put it in the tray though, and just do like a little watch area because I do have a lot of watches. So this one here, or let's face it this way because that makes more sense, and I'll show you how I put it in my drawers and stuff after too. This was like the very first Michael Kors watch I ever got, so I'm gonna put that right here. And then my smaller ones are going to go in these slots here, if they fit. Nope. Do they? There, they do. There's like some extra link watches, or the links to the watches that I have that I'm going to put in the corner here. More watches here. This one is like a Kate Spade one. Put that in here. Olivia Berto. These Chanel earrings. These ones, so I'm going to put them right here. And then just some older bracelets. I'm going to put them in the slots here. And I like how everything is just kind of like so easy to organize. Like you have slots that just fit for everything. And then earrings. You got hoop earrings. I'm going to put them in here. Studs. And then we've also got We've got little flower earrings, these ones here. You would have seen this in my closet tour. I have a few things right here. This little holder that holds, I've got like a Hermes bracelet in there, Chanel earrings, so I keep them in there, and then lots of jewelry back there, so I'm gonna grab that. And to just show you some of the stuff I picked up from HomeSense today. Look how cute this sign is. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I feel like it would look good anywhere for fall. So I got that. I have a serious obsession with vases right now, so I found this one, which I thought was so pretty with the little flowers. And then, my gosh, my island is so full. And then I found these for it, so I thought that'd be really nice for fall too. And I thought I'd put them in my closet. I just bought is the new iPhone, which I'm really happy about because I have the 11, which is old, and you guys know I do video content and pictures and stuff, so I should have honestly switched it in so long ago, but yeah, I got this pink case for it, and then this pop grip, which is like sparkly. The girls actually helped me pick it out. Okay, so we are gonna do some fast forwarding because I have lots of jewelry to get through. Nice little diptyque candle. It is pouring rain outside, my goodness. And then all this jewelry here. Then I have some of my other pieces on this little love tray right here, my Louis Vuitton bracelet. And then you guys have seen these that I tend to wear also a lot. But right here, I was so excited to show you guys this. This was in the Ipsy boxes. So this is the Trio Sponge Set. It didn't come with the stand, but I am just keeping it right here. I'm so excited that I was in the BoxyCharm boxes. That was like the first time. I also have this tray, which I showed you in, I think, my master bathroom tour. But I also have lots of jewelry on here, just some really beautiful collector's pieces. Also the IDYL right here, which I told you guys, the interchanging pieces that you can do so you can mix and match, which is so fun. I also have a nice little piece right there that I can use as a necklace. I've seen this in one of my latest vlogs, but I don't know where to put this. I want to like use it for decor, maybe like put some cute little things in it for the girls' room or something, but it's just adorable. I really love it. I apologize if I sound really tired. I've been doing the kindergarten routine this week, so just getting used to the new routine, and the girls were so excited to go into kindergarten. It was such like a surreal moment right after their birthday. But they've been loving it. It's just like a little bit more hectic with my schedule, but yeah, and their kindergarten class is only like 3 hours, so it just makes the driving a little crazy. But yeah, hence why my voice is a little tired today. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this one here and put it into my drawer. Just put the smaller one on the other side, and this one's gonna go underneath this one. Actually, I put it on top because I still want to fill all the spaces once I get new jewelry in, but I think it looks really good like that. And then of course my IDYL boxes that I keep. They're great for travel as well, and they're just such lovely boxes that you get. Great for gift giving, as I've talked about in previous videos, but just beautiful boxes. So I'm gonna put those right here. Morning, so I am back filming today. It's been a little crazy. This morning I was trying to get my new iPhone working and the girls were just everywhere. They don't start kindergarten until like later in the day, so it's always a little bit crazy, as I can hear Mom. But I wanted to show you guys the color of the new fall leaves right here. I have to go and cut them so they're not so tall, but really pretty. I'm gonna do some reels today of like fall decor, which I think will be really fun. You guys know it's my favorite season. And I have more of these little pumpkins. I wanna go to Shoppers actually and find more of these because they're so stinking cute. And you guys already know in my closet tour video that I did, I went through all of my clothes, my big sweaters and stuff, and I hung everything up. But this is kind of miscellaneous clothes that I have here in these bags that I don't really wear anymore, so I just kind of have to go through what I want to get rid of and then what I want to keep. This is actually cute. That definitely got in there. I love that color for fall. But yeah, I thought I would do that today. And then you guys already know this is kind of like my summer side. A lot of you guys were asking, where's your summer clothes? So I do have it on this side here. And then there's just like some fall things that I put out. This is miscellaneous, so this I have to definitely work on later today. But this is like my side of the closet that I'm just in love with. It's just all clean, and I had to clean out my coffee machine. That's why it's not there right now. So that is being done. The thing I wanted to do today is do some more shopping for some pumpkin spice stuff. Are you guys more of like fall, you know, pumpkin spice type decorators, or would you say that you go for like the skulls and like the more spooky type decor? I definitely have more like the fall. I like spooky, but I don't know, because I think a lot of spooky stuff's black, and I don't usually do black, but I love, 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 love this color. That's why I have one of my backpacks that are this color in the mini collection. Wow. Are you guys ready for kindergarten? Yeah. Woo! How cute is this one right here? I'm obsessed with this pumpkin. I definitely want to go shopping later. I was going to include that in today's vlog, but again, life has been so busy, but I want to go get more pumpkins and do like a fall reel. I've been posting a lot of my reels as well on YouTube Shorts, so you guys can also watch them there. Questions about this mirror that I have with lights. So I found this at HomeSense or no, Winners. I found it at Winners, but I'll try to look online. I know Impressions Vanity makes ones like this, but they're much bigger. Let me know if you guys know of any smaller ones, because yeah, the only ones I've really seen are at HomeSense and Winners and Marshalls, but really, really nice. I love it because it's smaller and it just fits into my beauty space really nicely. I didn't want something super big. And yeah, I've just been obsessed with it. Okay, so that was today's vlog, just a lot of random things, and also a huge thank you to IDYL for sponsoring today's video. I always love working with them, and definitely check out their jewelry if you have not before. Definitely beautiful, unique pieces, also very affordable, and I will link everything for you down in the description. Also, I would love some ideas for fall content. What do you guys want to see in my next videos? I know I've been doing a lot of reels and just TikToks, and I've been really enjoying that. Like, they're about a minute long, but just doing like really deep cleaning, organizational videos that you guys have seen me do, and decor, like everything. I've just been in love with doing that. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow. And also, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe now for lifestyle, decor, beauty, and fashion, mommy related content. Wow. Are you guys ready for kindergarten?